Here is how to convert your NFT voucher for XEmpire to X token. So after the airdrop rewards, the option to convert to X token, the NFT voucher that you minted some couple of weeks ago before the airdrop distribution, you can now convert your X voucher, the NFT voucher, to token. I think one NFT voucher is 69,000 X token. So depending on how many you minted, you'll be able to convert it to X token now. And the X token will be sent to your on-chain wallet, which is the wallet you use to mint the NFT. And also, additionally, they said if you hold X token, you'll be able to get additional benefits. You say be X holder, get airdrop from partners projects. Who is X holder? The one who, for the last 30 days, the balance of X was always greater than 0. It's that simple. You don't need to send or freeze this token. Just hold X in an on-chain wallet, meaning that you should be holding your XEmpire tokens on on-chain wallet, like your Tonekeeper wallet or your Telegram wallet. Then the higher minimum amount for 30 days, the bigger the bonus can be. You should, when you be an holder, you can earn airdrop from partner projects. So when you be an X holder, you get additional X token from partner projects. You get additional airdrop from partner projects. That's one advantage of holding the X token on your on-chain wallet, not on exchange, please. So if you are missing the NFT, or if you are converting the NFT to token, then you might just as well use that opportunity to hold that token that you'll be receiving to your on-chain wallet. And the one you receive from the airdrop, you can set that to exchange and sell. But the one you are converting from the NFT voucher, you can just hold it so that you can receive additional benefits for being an X holder. I'm just saying, it's just a suggestion. So now let's move forward. Also, guys, you can participate in this Anthem season on Gateio Exchange. You see, join lucky draw to win exclusive merch. Enter the key and join lucky draw. If I click on this join lucky draw, you might need to use a VPN to access the link so that you'll be able to join this lucky draw. It's a game and it's free to do. You see, Anthem carries more gold in its pocket, so do you. You are cordially invited to join Gateio Golden Anthem. You see, please enter your exclusive key. You enter your key and click on submit. So that's how to join the lucky draw on this Gateio exchange. The XEmpire bots, you can see the NFT conversion. So you can decide to convert your NFT to X token if you meet the XEmpire NFT. So the option to convert to X token is now available on the XEmpire. And you can see convert to X. You have to connect the same wallet you use in meeting the NFT. You see, you must connect on-chain the same wallet which you use to transfer NFT. Otherwise, you will not see the token on your balance. If you want to withdraw part of off-chain and part on-chain, please enter the information for the off-chain withdrawal. And after October 23rd, which is today, 9 UTC, you'll be able to select a wallet from the on-chain withdrawal. If you want to receive all the token at once, both from the mining phases and the NFT, this can only be done on-chain. We advise you to receive all the X token from your NFT voucher and only then order an on-chain withdrawal. Okay. So I'm just going to connect the same wallet that I used. So I've just connected my wallet, and this is, I've seen my token earlier. I don't understand what they mean by airdrop criteria. So here I might just click on one. You see, send NFT voucher to this address. Click copy. Click to copy. How to convert NFT to X. Send NFT voucher to this address. Click to copy. You will see X on your balance within 24 hours after sending the voucher. If the wallet from which you send the NFT is connected to the on-chain claim, you will be able to withdraw X token from NFT only on-chain after 24th of October. The speed determines on the network load. Important, you must connect on-chain the same one. Okay, so for you to be able to convert to X, so what you do here is to first of all copy your address, then go to your Tonekeeper or whichever wallet you use to mint the NFT. You send the NFT to that address, then also link that address, that wallet address, to your X account, so that you'll be able to receive your X token after they receive your NFT voucher in 24 hours. Then from there you can withdraw to wherever you want to withdraw to. So I've just copied the NFT address. Then I'll send the voucher to this address. So I'll go to my Tonekeeper wallet to convert. So let me see, on Tonekeeper, this is what you should be having. Collectibles, XEmpire. You see 69,000 X voucher, something like that. And I'll click on transfer. Then I'll enter the address. There is no need for comments. There's no comments here. NFC transfer, recipients, this confirm and send. I'm not sure I have enough gas. Okay, I'll have to send in some few tone to be able to complete this transaction. I'm not having enough gas. So this is how to convert your NFT voucher to X token. You send NFT voucher to the address, and they will send you back X token to your wallet that you connected, and that's it. So you can sell your NFT. You can sell your X token when they list tomorrow, 24th of October. So guys, this is the update on the XEmpire, how to sell the NFT voucher for X token and what have you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. Also join my Telegram community so you don't miss out on any of my updates. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.